design table legs in minutes and print out full-size templates absolutely free. My name's Jason and welcome to my shop. I'm excited to show you an app I built called TableKit3D to help you design table legs. We're going to start out here on my website, cornerwoodshop.com. Underneath tools, there's two options here. One's called MakerKit3D. If you design furniture in 3D software like I do, check it out. It might be beneficial to you. But today we're going to talk about TableKit3D. We're going to start here on the left. This is where you put in the information about the table you're going to build. You could pick rectangle, round, or oval. I'm going to enter the thickness, width, length, and height. In the center here is the canvas. I'm going to hit draw and sketch out a leg profile. Need to make any changes? Hit the edit button. You could move points. You could add curves with these little handles, and you could delete points. Everything automatically gets updated over in the 3D preview window. Now let's go back to our settings on the left to talk a little bit about insets. This is how far the feet sit in from the table edge. Let's change the width inset and see how it looks on the model. Now let's check out the difference on the length edge. I usually stick to a general rule of thumb of 2 to 3 inches for stability. For a round table, it's going to be radial inset, but the same concept applies. So now let's check out the inset for oval tables. There's inset from the edge, which is similar to what we've already been using. It is the distance from the perimeter of the table. And inset from center. This helps pick the correct center to edge line to place the legs consistently across the oval. Let's see it in action. In this example, inset from edge, I know what I want and I'm going to leave that number alone. I'm only going to be changing the inset from the center. And now if I change it to a lower number. So that should cover all the settings. Now let's talk about how to get this into your shop. Once you're happy with your design, you can click Export PDF. This will export an actual size paper template that you can bring into the shop and use for your cutouts. Using a CNC machine, no problem. We have an Export SVG option as well. Save your work by clicking Save JSON, and you can come back and reload it in later. That's it. It's totally free. No signups, no catches. Try it out on my website, cornerwoodshop.com. And as always, like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment. I appreciate it. If you want to follow my journey in building a woodworking business, I will see you guys in the next one. Later.